Hey, greetings and salutations everybody. I wanted to do a quick video review of the Corsair Light Enhancement Kit. It looks just like their RGB RAM, their Vengeance RGB Pro RAM, but it's just the lights. They're $43 plus tax and shipping on Amazon. And they go in just like your regular RAM chips. You can set them up to be any colors that you want. You can set them up. You can pretty much do anything you want to these, which is pretty nice. You can set up the dim. So depending on where you have your RAM chips on your own motherboard, you can change them up. And then you can change their lighting to fit whatever motif or whatever that you're trying to get for your own computer. I'm gonna turn this on so I can see what I'm filming here, so I can show everybody here. There they are. They are really bright for what they are. Like right now they're on green, which doesn't show up very good on camera, but we can turn them white. You can turn them light blue, and then there is a delay from when you switch your color to when they take effect. So make sure you give it a few seconds to change to your right colors. And then like for rainbow, and they put out quite a bit of light for what they are. I'm actually really impressed with them. I like them a lot. I can't wait till I get the matching RAM chips to go with them. But right now for 32 gigs of RAM is like $152 or something, and I'm not doing that right now. They can drop that to like $100 and then I'll be interested. But yeah, you can change it to any colors you want, just using the standard Corsair IQ software. And they're really easy to use. They're easy to install. There's no wires or nothing. They literally just clip into the RAM slots and you're ready to go. You come in here, you click your RGB Pros, and you can literally just set up however you want them. But yeah, if you're just looking for a little bit of light to add to your system, they are pretty awesome. For not a lot of money. I mean, there's some lighting stuff like these Corsair lighting strips that I'm running. I've got 4 of them that go all the way around the inside, and then like these RGB fans. I mean, like these fans are as much per fan as those were for the set. So to give you some idea of how expensive RGB lighting can get, but really I think they put out great light. They are really easy to install. They're just like installing DDR4 RAM chips, and they put out an enormous amount of light for what they are. So yeah, I will definitely give Corsair a 10 out of 10 for these light enhancement kit. So yeah, if it's something that you're interested in, just putting in a little bit of RGB just to give your rig some color, yeah, I highly recommend them. They're definitely worth the money. You can snag them at Best Buy. You can get them all over the place, but they also come in black if you don't want the white. I wanted the white because I wanted it to contrast with all the other black stuff in my computer. I didn't want a full blackout PC, so I went with that. But yeah, overall I'm very pleased with them. I'm just waiting for the RAM so I can have all 4 lit up together like that. But yeah, that's about it. If you want some good RGB lighting, that's an easy way to go. And with that, peace and love everybody. I'm out.